Hey guys, and welcome back to my series, Tips and Tricks for DIY Beginners. We're talking about the MVP of my workshop, this cordless brad nailer. And just so we're clear, this is not sponsored. I just love this thing. And all my tools are Craftsman because I have interchangeable batteries. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer, and they come in a lot of different brands. Get whatever is right for you. This little part that unclips is where you put the nails in. The nails come in different lengths and they're easy to load. Just make sure you get the right gauge for your tool. On my nail gun, there's an adjustable dial. This allows me to change the depth of how far the nail will sink into the wood. For most of my projects, I keep it flush or have it sink in just a little bit. My nail gun also has this little release lever in case you get any nails jammed in there. This allows you to get to the top of it. Here's a closer look at what the nails look like when they come in a box. And just to do a little demonstration on a piece of wood, always make sure you wear safety goggles. And it's really that easy. The best feature to me about this nail gun in particular is that it's cordless, meaning I don't have to hook it up to an air compressor. And it does have this safety feature where it won't engage unless something's pushed up against the front of it. When shopping for nails, just make sure you get the right gauge for your gun and the right length for your project. And it can really be any brand. Okay, so what do you think about the MVP tool? Let me know what questions you have. Okay, bye.